back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I'm a flight attendant with a major US airline. So today we are actually working a 2-day trip. We're gonna leave here in about 35 minutes, give or take. I still have to get my uniform on and get the rest of my stuff packed on up. We are actually going to be flying just one flight today to Dallas to San Juan. I tried to trade it just because I know this is the third time this month. One of them was not on purpose, but this is the third time this month that I've gone to San Juan, and I kind of wanted to show y'all something more exciting, but I could not get this trip to move to save my life. So hopefully we can find some new stuff to do on this time, but I wanted to show you guys the food that I am packing. So to start us off, I got 3 of these salads from Trader Joe's, as well as one of their lemon basil pasta salads. These are so good. I've never had these, but I love Southwest salads, so I assume it's going to be pretty good. But also I got a whole thing of pre-made chicken. So these are wonderful to add to the salads for some extra protein, or even to this for some extra protein. Then also over here, I have 3 barbell protein bars. So I have 2 in the caramel cashew. I've had this one before and it's super good. I have never had this one, the white chocolate almond, but hopefully it's pretty good. I am also gonna be taking some jalapenos and throwing them in here. That way I can either add them to my salads or even this ramen that I am going to take. And then last but not least, I have some condiments as well as my Verb energy bar. So I'm gonna take this one, which is the chocolate chip banana. It's so good. And I've never had this one yet. And this is the chocolate peanut butter cup. So I'm gonna take 2 of these. So this is all the food that I'm gonna go ahead and throw into my bag now. So I looked and we have 10 flight attendants on this flight instead of 8. And I was like, why do we have 2 extras from last time? Like, I just worked this trip. And then I realized we are on the 777-300, whereas last time I was on the 777-200, and I've never been on this one. So I'm excited to see exactly what it looks like. I know this one's a bit bigger. I do know that there's like a first class and a business class and a main cabin. I'm going to have to check my tablet once again just to like go through everything, make sure I've got it down before we work the flight. But right now it's 3 o'clock, so we have plenty of time. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff out. We're gonna head to the airport, go through security, find our gate, and all that jazz. So as I was getting my stuff out, I got an alert saying that our flight is already a little bit delayed, but it doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's like 14 minutes or something. Okay, so I just looked up our flight and said, where is the plane? And it looks like it's on the way. There's just some weather, but the employee shuttle is here now.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works.
Our flight is pretty delayed, so I found just this little nook to kind of hang out in. It looks like it's going to be about 40-something more minutes before we board, but London Heathrow is actually at our gate and they have to go first, so it could be a little bit more, so I'm just going to go ahead and stay tight. I had a gift card, so I got some Starbucks. So now we're just gonna hang out and wait. Good news, they just switched our gate over to D21, so hopefully we can actually get out of here a little bit sooner.
Yeah, you leave me wondering.
So we just got on board. This plane is absolutely huge. I've only been through half of it. I'm like, wow. So I'm gonna put my stuff up and get ready, and we're gonna go fly to San Juan.
What it's like to feel your skin, I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist. Okay, we have finally made it into the room. Oh, this feels like a long one. I don't know why, but that flight felt extra long tonight. Like, it was good, but it just felt real long. I ended up actually eating a salad with some chicken on the plane, but I'm already still kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna heat up that ramen with some chicken. So right now it is 12:43 in the morning. Let's go ahead and get our stuff put away because I'm hungry and tired.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting.
It says you're supposed to pour like boiling water in there and let it sit for 3 minutes, but I don't know how I'm supposed to get boiling water. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take these water bottles and pour some in there and then microwave it and hope for the best. Okay, and voila, just like that, we have ramen. Okay, bone apple teeth. What a stupid joke. Hopefully we'll do a little different, a little bit something different. Maybe not, we'll see. I feel like the funny thing with flight attendants is we kind of get in like these routines. And the funny joke is it's like as soon as you do that, they move our hotel. Like as soon as you get in a routine of I like to do XYZ, the hotel moves and then you gotta get a new routine. So happens quite frequently, but it is pretty nice because you do have some certain things and certain food places that you're just like, I love it. But all right, I will go ahead and see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, this one is tough. So it's, yeah, that's right. It's 8:17 right now. I set my alarm for 8 and I just could not do it. I still feel like, girl, you can't do it. I just want to go back to sleep so hard. And I remember the last time, this was the exact same way I felt, but it was an hour later and I'm like, oh. I'm like, why did I do this to myself? Like, why did you agree to go do something this early? We're going to the beach, so I'm not gonna go full glam or anything like that. I'm just going like presentable. So, yeah, coffee. Let's go get some coffee. Ooh. The last two ones have only had this, whereas like my first one had the vanilla, but it's fine. I also very much learned my lesson that sometimes these leak.
So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head.
Okay, well the coffee starts to brew. Let's get our straightener heated up and some clothes picked out. That's like one of the really good things about being a flight attendant is like you only have so many options. You only have like what you pick. So you can't sit here for forever and like dig through clothes. It's like, nope, this is what I'm wearing today. So love that for me, but I guess let's go ahead and get everything out. I don't think I'm gonna do a bunch of makeup.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like.
So we just finished eating at the brunch spot and it was amazing as always. I couldn't help myself. I had to get the salmon. I was gonna try something new, but that did not happen. So we're gonna enjoy these last few hours before we have to catch our flight.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say.
Okay, so we just left the beach and came to the grocery store. I wanna see if they have some cool stuff to take back with me. They also have some fresh food that I'm gonna check out. I'm here with good company.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I want to show you guys what I got very quickly and then we got to get to moving. We have an hour before we have to be downstairs and I still need to shower and get ready. Are you guys a little blurry? Is that better? And then I still need to shower and get ready, but I do want to show you because it was phenomenal. So I picked up a big thing of pineapple. It's not that big, it's actually kind of small. I picked up the small one of pineapple and then me and the girls started sharing some of the pineapple, but I also got some grapes and some fruit. I cannot wait to eat some of this on the plane. I'm so hungry and I just want some like fresh fruit. Found these are strawberry flavored biscuits. And then I also got these milk cream. So I think these are like the Oreos. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower, rinse off and start getting ready. So today we are gonna be working 2 flights. We are going from San Juan to Miami where we have like a 3.5 hour sit. And then we go Miami to Dallas. We'll get in around midnight tonight and be done. So today we are working the 787 Miss Man Big wide body herself. I'm excited. I love this one. The overhead bins are a little bit tricky for me. I have to keep my heels on so that way I can close them. But yeah, let's get ready and go. I think we are pretty much good to go. Okay, so I did my last room check. My stuff is all packed, so I think we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs, meet up with all of the crew. There is only going to be 8 of us today because we are switching to the 787, so we don't need all 10. So 2 lucky people got to deadhead home. I think they're leaving like an hour later, and they get to go straight home.
Don't be jealous, Cat.
But I am part of the original crew, so I am actually going to Miami. So we're gonna go to the San Juan Airport and work our flight.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories.
All right, so we just got on the plane. Gonna go ahead and put our stuff away, get everything checked, and we're gonna head over to Miami.
Put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke.
Okay, so we just got onto our plane. We are taking the 787. Again, I love this one. It's like my favorite. The 777-300 was awesome too, though. So that's pretty close, but we are just working the one flight. So we are going from Miami, we had a cute little lunch here, and now, or I guess dinner, and now we are going to Dallas, and I'm tired, you guys. I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna check my equipment, and I will see you guys when we land.
We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Boo, I miss you. Hi, buddy, I missed you. I didn't forget about you, Mama. I would never forget about you. Oh, I missed you too, Mama. Okay, I am finally home. It's about to be 1 in the morning. Once again, it feels every bit like it. I am ready for bed. I have 1 day off tomorrow. Then I fly 2 more trips back to back. So it's been busy. It is summer flying in full effect, but if you did enjoy this video, go and give it a big old thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.